Hello friends, Namaste. Today we're gonna learn a very powerful tool, a very strong breathing technique to really energize your whole body, your whole system. We are raising the carbon dioxide levels, which will help us to make our blood more alkaline, to remove the acidity, the toxins from the body, to purify the blood. It will ground us, but in the same way, it will give us more energy for the day. It is a very nice practice before breathwork routine, before yoga, before meditation, before you have to study, before you go to school, before you go to work. You wake up, first thing, you sit down in your bed. You can also first take a shower and then practice the breathwork routine like I do. But if you can, if you wake up and you're fully awake, you feel ready, then just sit down in your bed. The technique is easy. You place one hand on the chest, one hand on the belly button. You can do it without hands. I usually prefer to have one hand on the chest. And then we breathe in through the mouth, belly, diaphragm, chest, letting go through the mouth. We don't move the full body, only belly, chest. The rest of the body stays completely relaxed. Make it to a priority to just relax. Bring the awareness within, focus on the breath, and like the waves of an ocean, belly, chest, let go, belly, chest, letting go. We're gonna do 3 rounds. First round, 10 breaths, exhale fully, hold the breath for 10 seconds. Second round, 20 breaths, hold the breath for 20 seconds. Third round, 30 breaths, hold the breath for at least 30 seconds. If you can also hold the breath a bit longer. You exhale fully by letting go. And then you hold the breath. Focus on the spaciousness within. Find the inner peace. Go into deeper layers of yourself. Doing the breath hold, you can get in touch with your higher self. You hold the breath whenever you feel the urge to breathe. Inhale fully through the nose. Hold the breath. Squeeze the perineum muscle. It's like a kegel, the muscle between the anus and the genitals. Squeeze this muscle and squeeze the energy up all the way to your higher chakras. You focus on the third eye. Your tongue touches the palate so the energy can move freely along your spine. Bring the cerebral spinal fluid all the way up, the energy all the way up. Squeeze, focus, hold the breath for 10-20 seconds or as long as it is comfortable for you. Then release, relax, and just feel the energy, the blood flow, the mind all of a sudden calm and peaceful. You're more focused, more clear, and then you will have so much power for the day. It's a wonderful practice. Please join. I want to guide you now through these 3 rounds. And then see for yourself what will happen to your system. And please don't forget, share your experience with me in the comment section below. Okay, close your eyes. Find yourself in a comfortable sitting position. Your spine is straight. The rest of the body is relaxed. You can imagine you have a small hook on the top of your head, pulling you up with a string, so that your spine can redirect and readjust. Relax your jawbone, your face muscles. And take a few deep conscious breaths. In through the nose and out through the nose.
Okay, full deep inhales, belly to chest. You can move your body, open your chest, move your shoulders, your collarbone. Deeply breathe into your chest. We're almost there. Okay, 3 more deep breaths. And then fully exhale and hold the breath for 10 seconds. Round number 2, 20 breaths. With each breath, give all your best, everything you have. Make use of each in and exhalation. Fill up the belly all the way up to the top parts of your lungs. Okay, we have half the time now. 8 more breaths. Deeply into the belly, all the way up, diaphragm, chest. Feel the tingling, feel the blood flow in your whole body, in your chest, in your arms, in your hands. 3 more breaths. Inhale and exhale fully. Hold the breath for 20 seconds and just relax. Calm down the nervous system, calm down the mind. Let the thoughts wander and just be in the present moment. Prepare for round number 3, 30 breaths. And go. Belly, chest, letting go. Connect with your breath, connect with your body. Move the body according to the rhythm of the breath. And synchronize the breath and the body. Make them one. Forget about the mind. Find the peace within, in the practice right now. Find the calmness, find the stillness in the movement. Okay, half the time, 15 breaths more. Make use of each breath. Make it to a meditation movement exercise. Energize, ground, and relax. We're almost there. Just go on with the deep breathing rhythm. Belly, chest, letting go. Last 3 breaths. Last inhalation, fully exhale, letting go of the breath, and hold the breath for as long as you comfortably can. Focus on the heart area, on the chest. Feel the blood flow, the tingling sensation, the energy moving freely in your whole system. Your whole body is a flow of prana. And whenever you feel the urge to breathe again, inhale fully, belly, diaphragm, chest, then hold the breath, squeeze. Squeeze the mula bandha, the perineum muscle, and bring the prana flow all the way up to your higher chakras, to your third eye and to your crown. Keep the pressure, keep the flow of prana within. And whenever you feel the urge to breathe again, release the bandhas, the energy locks, and slowly and gently exhale. And find the peace, find the calm in the breathing exercise. Now gently follow your breath again. Focus on the in and exhalation. How does the breath feel? Are you more relaxed now, more peaceful, more calm? Are you more energized, focused and clear. Just appreciate and focus on the breath within. And with each breath, make the breathing more soft, more calm, and more slow. And maybe not so deep anymore. There's no need to breathe deep. Just let the breath more and more go. Let the breath happen by itself. Wonderful. Enjoy the peace, enjoy the calm. Letting go of the breath, letting go of the mind. Wonderful.
It is really a great energy boost. You can really feel the blood flow, the tingling, the sensations, the opening in the chest, the clarity of the mind. Just amazing. With this technique, you can really start your day whenever you have a project, some talk to give, some physical exercise, some weightlifting. It will help you to increase your endurance by 100%. You will feel much more alive, centered and balanced. Thanks for tuning in. I wish you a wonderful day. Namaste.